Hi everyone. Today we are going to do another Mediterranean recipe. It's going to be chicken and quinoa Greek salad. You ask why Mediterranean, and I just want to let you know that Mediterranean diet has been ranked as the number one diet according to U.S. News and World Report. And the reasons being that it is full of fresh produce, lean protein, and healthy fat coming from fish, seeds, nuts, and olive oil. So let's get started. So first, we're going to start with our ½ pound of chicken cutlets, breast, skinless, boneless. We have them here in a quart-sized bag, and we're going to put a marinade on them. So we're going to start off, of course, with good olive oil. We have the recipe down below, so it will tell you the amount. Red vinegar, red wine vinegar. To even it out, we have a little bit of honey. And of course, for another acid, we're going to put in our lemon juice from 1 lemon. This is a 1/4 of a tablespoon of paprika. And we have 1 teaspoon of oregano, dried. And also, this is garlic powder. Then we're going to give it a whisk. Pour it over our chicken. Make sure that everything has the marinade on it. Every part of the chicken has it on there. And then we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. 20 minutes is the minimum, up to 2 hours. And this gives us an opportunity to go ahead and get our quinoa part of the salad ready. Next, we're going to make our quinoa, which is a fast cooking seed that is not processed. It's also full of protein and fiber. So we're going to go ahead and boil it. 1 cup. You could do it according to your packaging. A little bit of salt. Bring it to a boil, then simmer it covered for 15 minutes. Then we'll go ahead while this is going and start chopping our vegetables. So while the quinoa is cooking and cooling, I'm going to go ahead and slice up the rest of the ingredients that go in the quinoa salad. Once we've got all of the ingredients ready, the quinoa is about ready. So we're going to take it off the stove and let it cool to room temperature. Now we're going to take our nice fluffy quinoa and put it in our serving dish. This needs to cool to room temperature before we go on to our next step. Our chicken has been marinating for 30 minutes, so we're going to take it out and get it to room temperature for 20 minutes. This is the perfect time for that. So I've gotten the chicken out and it's at room temperature now. I'm going to take it out of the bag and place it in a medium-high heat saute pan. So we're going to let these Go for about 5 to 8 minutes on each side and get them nice and brown. We're going to mix the dressing for the quinoa now that it is at room temperature, and then we'll be able to go ahead and put everything that we cut up, all of those ingredients with that while our chicken is cooking. A fourth olive oil, and like I said, the recipe is down below. This is lemon juice, fresh squeezed, oregano, and lemon zest. We have all of our ingredients that we chopped previously. We're going to pour this over. Then I have some tongs I'm going to use to thoroughly mix that up. Get the dressing in with it all. So our chicken is a bit caramelized, and I'm going to check the temperature to be 165 Fahrenheit. All right, now we're going to take the chicken out and let it rest for 5 minutes, and we're going to cut it into slices to put on top of our quinoa salad. And here we have Bo saying, make something nutritious and delicious with the Mediterranean diet. Now we're going to plate it and do our taste testing. I'll meet you outside with my sous chef. So now we're going to do our taste test, and I wanted to introduce my sous chef, Lynetta. Let's see. Is it as good as it usually is? Good stuff. So for the next time, go out and make something delicious and nutritious.